Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And basically everything I talked about on Tuesday still pertains today. Mainly this resistance trend line right here, which I put into place in Tuesday's video. And you can see that this afternoon, that's right where the price ultimately got rejected. So this trend line here has just become that much more famous, meaning there's going to be that many more people watching that level going into Thursday and Friday. And a lot of people are watching the same level. That is a level that, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy. Call it whatever you want. It can produce some very dynamic movements. So if the price can work its way back up to that area, and let's just call it 312.50, give or take, and get the break of 312.50, then yeah, it's not guaranteed, of course, but it's reasonable to think, it's a rational thought to have, that could create some upside buying pressure, and then potentially carry it up to this next level of resistance that I've talked about in previous videos, and that sits right up there around 319. But as of right now, completely really irrelevant to be putting much focus at all on 319 until the price can first break up above that resistance trend line in the near term. And then on the flip side of levels that I talked about in yesterday's video that once again still totally pertain, first level I talked about was that pink line there, which on my chart denotes the very famous 200 period moving average. And you can see right there during the last 30 minutes of the day, that's essentially right where the price bounced off from. So in the near term, that's going to be a level that you would want to see hold as support. But that's also an area that a whole lot of shorts are going to be watching. The shorts are going to be wondering, if the price breaks through there, that could create a lot of downside pressure to take it at least down to that next green line down there around 308. Once more, not guaranteed to happen, but is it at least a valid, rational thought on the shorts part to be thinking that? Yeah, that's absolutely a possibility that could very well happen. But as of right now, that 200 period has been doing a good job of holding strong. But like I said, a little case of deja vu. Every single level that I talked about in Tuesday's video, I'm talking about once again. But all these areas still definitely do pertain. So let's see how this one plays out on Thursday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.